How to log in to Ace Wallet account. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Ace Wallet account. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Ace application on your mobile phone. Now here you can see already have an account sign in option. Tap on sign in. With this, you'll be taken to the sign in page. Now here tap on username box. Then enter the correct username of your account. Then tap on password box and enter the correct password of your account. Now if you do not have your account, you can simply tap on create account option. And if you do not remember your password, you can tap on forgot password and continue with creating one. After you enter all your information, tap on log in. With this, you will be able to log in to your Ace Wallet account. Now here you'll be directed to your home page. Now here you can tap on three lines present at the top right corner. Then here you can see that your Ace Wallet has been logged in. Here on the top you can see my Ace Wallet account. And this is how you simply log into your Ace Wallet account on your mobile phone. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.